Alright, me telling some of that laugh, you know. I ain't gonna laugh. This is the second challenge right now. The videos are funny. Some of y'all can do it for yourself. This is my second one. Check it.
Oh, she could do that.
Me nah laugh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what's wrong, babe?
It's
Hey,
not
you just use the bathroom?
Yeah, I just took a number 2.
No, that smell like 22. How you eat?
I just had a little pasta.
It smell like you eat doodle and you just doodle out the doodle.
No, it doesn't.
But you need a wash out and an exorcism because that don't smell healthy. Girl, doodle don't stink so. It smell like rotten milk mixed with vomit. It smell like one chicken coop. In there smell like old people morning bread. Smell like 2 skunk and sex in there.
Whatever. You're not perfect, you know.
No, you have to sleep on the couch tonight. You don't stink yourself.
Go inside if you think about it. Go outside. We're going to be out for your walk and like what? Good morning, sir. Good morning. We are here to do a disconnection at this premises. Disconnection, your brother and your sister and I'm coming here. We're supervisor. I'm coming here now looking up. Sir? What? Your bill is overdue. It's overdue. The bill paid 3 hours ago. What do out the other money now look wrong? 3 hours ago when we left the office, you were still in the red, sir. In the red? I was in the red. That don't concern you too damn fast and out there. I'm coming here to think you might contact off the line. Right? I'm commissioner now. Go to your supervisor. Get up on this cellular and make a conversate with her. Conversate with her, sir. Sir, we have to do a disconnection. Come in here and disconnect, you know. Come in here and disconnect. Run for sticking up. I said sticking. I'm feeling this fire, you know. There's never a story from the whole brand.
Alright.
Susan, wait up.
This is one laugh.
Shoot him. For what? I don't know, him just look weird. Him look
Me
weird.
nah laugh again. Nah laugh again.
It's okay, I know a guy. Oh, Jamie the lawyer. Tell me more, him can say Tell me more about him now. Prince.
Me give up.
Prince. No, that's not him. This Jamie guy, I think he can talk about this.
Okay?
Oh yeah, that's only one talking about. So